How is it going today? Hello, it's Kingdom. My name's Dwayne.
My name's Jazz.
We're Dwayne and Jazz till we have Midoriya, aka Deku, versus Overhaul.
Yes.
Oh boy.
We've been trying to avoid spoilers, but we're gonna have to go back and watch it anyway.
Yeah.
Because we're not gonna look at the whole episode, of course.
Of course not. We're gonna get blocked. So you see, we do it a different way here.
Right.
Anyway, if you guys have any reaction requests, please follow us on social medias and then link in the show. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive on in.
Oh, he has her.
Right.
Oh, look at Mario's cape.
Right.
Ooh.
He just teleport away?
He ends the transmission.
Right. Oh no. He's about to absorb him too. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Ooh, do you see how?
Oh my god. Look at the blood.
I know. Things are getting real this season. Look at him. He got the smile.
Oh, he's smiling just like Mario. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, what happened?
Oh boy.
Activated. Oh, he has like a little satchel.
Oh boy. Ooh. Oh my.
Look at him. Look at it glowing.
You see his hair?
Look at it glowing.
Ooh.
Is she enhancing him or something? Good God.
Hell yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
You hero
Pretenders.
pretenders.
He's starting to sound like Stain.
Right, he is. If I can't save this one small girl in front of me.
Oh, in the back of you.
Right in the back of you. Damn.
Oh, he destroyed his arm to build it back up.
How can I become... Oh my god! Damn!
Oh, you see his...
Oh! Shit! A hero who saves everyone! Damn!
You saw the skeleton?
Right!
Oh my god!
This man turned into One Punch Man like crazy, yo!
That kind of reminds me of Mob.
And Mob Psycho too, yes. I did not see even, oh my god, okay, so I thought he was going to see him die, but he didn't foresee this future.
Look at the glow, yo! Okay, this is the preview to the next one. Hold on, we didn't even see what happened.
Right. So, woo! Oh my god. Now we wish we could show the whole episode, but we can't.
We gotta watch it. We gotta watch it as soon as we stop recording. We gotta watch the rest of it.
Woo! Oh my god. 100% full cowling. One for all. Oh my god.
It looked like he almost like teleported. I know he didn't teleport. It was probably like him moving like really fast.
Yes.
Yeah, but it seemed like he teleported.
We gotta go and watch the whole episode. We can't.
Did you see all the fists?
That reminds me of One Punch Man and Mob Psycho.
Yes. And then his face was black.
I don't know if they do.
I
think they do the same. Are the same studio that did Mob Psycho.
I don't know if he's doing it.
I think they did. I think Mob Psycho and My Hero had the same studio, so that's why it looked so reminiscent.
Yeah.
You guys gotta check out Mob Psycho 100. That anime is lit.
I think that this fight was probably better because of the fact that they lacked with the Mario fight.
Yeah. Because
the Mario fight, everybody was complaining.
Everybody was like, y'all did it.
I still think it was a good fight, but
they didn't
probably
like the
I didn't
slideshow.
Yeah.
Slideshow.
I didn't read the manga, so it was good to me.
Yeah,
so people that read it, they're like, oh, I might as well, read it if it's gonna be in like slideshow. Like,
now they definitely made up for that with this one.
I think that's what they were saving it for.
Yeah,
probably because that looked amazing. You saw Chisaki's eyes, like his iris and everything.
And this man is literally Full Metal Alchemist. He is reconstructing and deconstructing body parts.
His own
he
body
used
parts.
his homie as
Yes.
a damn
Enhancer.
right.
Basically.
He became
used
into a big
his other dude's body to get into his.
right. I'm just saying, man, Jesus. That and then the whole thing about the hero pretenders, he sounded like Stain. Sounded like Stain. Stain is
when
very
he said hero pretenders,
influential.
that reminded me of Stain.
Yeah, Stain is very.
Stain was
ooh.
like that.
Yeah, man.
He had that whole philosophy, like, oh, you're not true heroes, and that's why, like, I'm killing you, basically.
I'm not the best.
So,
Deku was the GOAT. Deku was best boy. I'm happy. You saw him glowing? It was
yes,
like
and his eyes too.
boy, that boy. Ooh, imagine when he masters it.
Yeah, because he never
Imagine-
even went 100% before. This is the first time.
I think he went.
I think.
Well, he went 100%. He will always have his limbs like out of commission.
Yeah.
So now this is what it is without out of commission, boy.
And he's healed.
And he's healed.
So,
yeah. So I don't know. I don't know
that's
how
gonna be cool.
our Aries, what her quirk is exactly. We gonna have to watch the full episode
we gotta
we
go
just
back and watch it right now.
we watched the clip of it because copyright. But we gonna have to go back and watch the full episode. But anyway, all right. Comment below. Let's know what you think.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
share.
Just work. Deuces.